Are we talking?
What did you make in it?
Yeah.
I see you cooking something. I see some bacon within the pot.
You see, chili have been on my mind.
So we cooking some chili.
So I brought chili.
You brought chili.
Chili has been on my mind.
Joel brought chili powder for chili. Hi, chili.
I know I may not get the opportunity to meet chili, so this is the closest I will probably get to chili. So I brought my own chili. So Rome, I'm going to do quickly a late night snack. Courtesy the folks at Great Foods. I have some Great Foods bacon. Great Foods has a range of bacon. They have 3 types of bacon. I'm using the streaky bacon because of the fat content. I need a little nice juicy flavor, full fat in this dish. So I have some bacon rendering there. In here, it's a cheesy bacon dip.
Okay.
Late night snack that you could just eat with some chips of your choice. You probably slice up some bread, whatever, you know. And it's a nice little dip. So I have some cream cheese, softened cream cheese.
Right.
And then I have some mayonnaise in here as well.
You mix it too.
I mix it too. So I just want to get seasoned layers, salt and pepper. Not too much because bacon has some salt content. Some salt content.
Sodium content in bacon.
I have a herb. You could use a herb of your choice, but I've chopped up some rosemary, very fine.
I said I shadow benny.
Yeah, it looked like shadow benny, but smell it. I love rosemary. Smell it and yeah, that's rosemary. So you mix.
Nice.
You get it all kind of combined.
I love the aroma of rosemary.
Here, I just really have some onions and mushrooms that I kind of sauteed up as well in a little salt and pepper, a little bit of oil, salt and pepper, and I want to add that in here as well.
All right.
So it's very real simple, adding all the ingredients together and just combining it, incorporating it.
This looks like something I can do.
This is very simple. This is very simple. You can get the recipe on TriniCooks.com.
Right.
But as I said, very simple to follow.
Simple.
I always say Joel can do it.
Because normally I could only boil it.
You could boil.
I can boil eggs, rice, a mean boiled macaroni.
But after the boil, that's about it.
Boil and stop.
Boil and stop. I have mozzarella and cheddar cheese.
A
mixture.
Right.
The reason being, as I said, nice sharp cheddar.
That's a nice mix and flavor too.
Yeah.
The mozzarella is a little bit bland and the cheddar is a little bit sharp with the salt content.
You was a pizza man, so you
know
about this mix. You know about this mix.
You know I love that mix of cheeses.
Mix that together there.
That flavor combination looks good.
It's good. This is real comfort, satisfying food in the night. Light late night
snack.
So
you can do this when you're watching Girls Cruise, Joel. You have this snack. You have to bring out chili.
And chili, baby. You gotta get some chili in there.
Don't go chasing
so waterfalls, you get through or you can't tell me. You can't tell me.
I cannot say.
You bring the Trinidad.
A gentleman does not kiss and tell, Mr. Joel Villafana.
I mean, everybody wants to make it. I mean, come on. You get through a little bit? No. I got through the date. I went on a date with her. I saw the date.
Right. So I got through the date.
She saw when she questioned it. So she said, "Oh, I'm to the red man."
Yeah, but she had a million questions.
Yeah, she had plenty questions.
How we would work out. I live in Trinidad and she lives in Atlanta.
Yeah, she want to get citizenship for you.
Yeah. It's okay. Yeah. I told her, I was like, listen, I have my work permit. I need to come there and live. I can bring you here to live.
All that?
Yeah.
So follow it. It's on VH1, guys. Because if I tell you, I've never watched these reality shows.
Right.
But just as, I suppose, because of your interest and seeing you on the show, I follow the storyline. Now I can't wait to go back and check the 4th episode and 5th episode.
Very entertaining.
Amazing, guys. Congratulations. This here room.
So you're putting this in it. What?
You understand? That is the magic there, because that's the flavor that you now want in the cheese. It's a big cheesy bacon dip. You get that all in there. You smell it now? Can't go wrong with bacon. Can't go wrong with bacon.
I love
all
bacon.
you're doing now is you're taking this mixture You get it in a dish. A greased dish. I grease my dish. And
like
just
a
flatten.
pop.
Yeah, you pack it up like that. And this goes in the oven for about 20 minutes.
Right.
Just like that. You know, we had to have one bubbling.
Yeah.
One is bubbling and ready.
It's hot. And right. Look at this. You seen this? You see the cheese caramelized to the top, right around, just from there.
You sung like a real foodie there, you know. So it's very hot room.
Yeah.
But that's for you to snack on.
Next week's episode of Copper Joe,
Right.
After Dark, the viewers could have one of these.
They could try that.
They could try that.
The recipes on TrindyCooks.com. Take your time, enjoy. You have lots to eat.
Yes.
I told you to come hungry.
I'm hungry. You don't hear that?
And leave happy. Come on back, folks. We're just getting started here on Cup of Joe After Dark. This is Room. I am so proud of this brother. Opportunity, right time, right place. He seized it. And now the man on VH1. Congratulations, my brother.
Thank you.
We had a drink and toast to come next. Come on back, TNT. Cup of Joe After Dark.